What if I told you you don't need to clean your entire home to feel organized? In fact, focusing on just a tiny area, about 2 feet, can completely change how your whole space feels. This is called the 2-foot rule, and it's one of the simplest, most effective ways to reduce clutter without feeling overwhelmed. And once you understand it, you'll never look at your home the same way again. The idea is simple. Instead of trying to organize everything, you focus only on the areas you interact with the most, about 2 feet around you. Think about your bedside table, your kitchen counter, your bathroom sink. These are your high-touch zones, and they shape how your entire home feels. Here's the interesting part. Your brain doesn't register your whole home at once. It reacts to what you see and use constantly. So if these small areas are clean and calm, your home feels organized, even if everything else isn't perfect. But if they're cluttered, everything feels chaotic. Step 1. Identify your 2-foot zones. Start with 2 or 3 areas you use every single day. Keep it small and realistic. Step 2. Edit ruthlessly. Remove everything that doesn't belong there. Ask yourself, do I actually use this here? If not, it goes. Step 3. Keep only what supports you. Leave only the items you use daily or that make the space feel calm and intentional. Step 4. Create a reset habit. At the end of the day, take 60 seconds to reset this small area. That's it. No deep cleaning, no overwhelm. Key insight. Here's a small shift that changes everything. If putting something away feels inconvenient, your system is the problem, not you. Storage should be where the action happens. Think of your home like a camera frame. You don't see everything at once. You only see what's in front of you. The 2-foot rule is about mastering that frame. So instead of trying to fix your entire home, start small. Focus on the spaces you live in every day, because sometimes less effort creates better results. And that's where real simplicity begins.